Hey everybody, this is Tezlon for Drop Top Tees, doing a quick video today because I'm going to experiment with the rear diffuser for a 124 Spider Lusso in Classica. This is made by a company in Germany called, I'm not certain how to pronounce it right, Höen, H-O-N-E, Höen, I'm not certain. I got the last one that was available on eBay. I have searched their website. I can't find any more. So I don't know if they're still available or not. But anyway, if you find anything like this, here's how you want to do it. It comes with tape and some mounting screws. I've already cleaned off the area that I'm going to use to mount with isopropyl alcohol. And now so I'm cleaning off the mounting surface with just warm water. And then I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol again. The reason is I want to get rid of all kinds of contaminants because I want that tape, that double-sided tape, to stick as well as possible. And if you have old dirt and grime and road oil and dirt down there, it's not going to stick very well. I am going to have bolts on it, or screws, but I want the tape to stick as much as possible. So the isopropyl alcohol just takes a couple minutes to evaporate. In case you're wondering why my wheels are off, it's because the other day I raised the front coilovers a little bit, because on turns, when I went through hard turns with bumps, they would rub. And so I lifted up the front, and so today I'm lifting up the back to keep the car even. So you don't have to take your wheels off to do this. It's just I was doing something else with my coilovers. So I tried to do a 2-for-1 special while I had the car jacked up. So to align this perfectly, I measured the bottom of this light, the rear reverse light, and that is 12 millimeters. I found the center point, lined my center fin with that, and now I'm going to position tape, painter's tape, to get this all lined up so I know exactly where it has to be. So that's all there is to it. I'll show you a picture after I put the wheels on and lower. And while I can't find any more of this particular diffuser that's made for the Classica and Lusso online, again, the company is H-O-E-N. It's from Germany. There are some universal fit diffusers that mount in a similar fashion. So if you want to put on a diffuser, it's a half-hour job at most. Jack up the car, measure it, clean it, tape, and then add screws. Good to add screws because if the tape for some reason fails, like here when it gets so, we've had God only knows how many days in the hundreds already. That's why I'm sweating, because it's like, I did this in the morning so it wouldn't be hot. It's already 97. Who knows what it is here in the garage. But sometimes if you get extreme heat, tape can come loose over time. So putting the screws in helps hold it in place. So if you like the video, thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And we'll see you again in the future. I think the next one is going to be well, it's going to be a surprise.